How to get cheap car insurance. Best car insurance quotes. This video is designed to help you save money on your car insurance. As an appetizer, here's a little trick we use that has helped us save a ton of money on our auto insurance. So, which is the cheapest car insurance company? Will Geico really save you $500 in 15 minutes? Is Progressive cheaper? State Farm, Allstate, Liberty Mutual, Farmers, Nationwide? The number one mistake made by car insurance seekers is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differs tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. Now, usually shopping around for quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task. So, here is a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which the cheapest auto insurance provider is. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service. Toll free at 1-855-981-7528. This is a free by phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. Find full details in the description below this video. Now, here are some tips to help you further lower your car insurance rate. Multiple quotes. Get multiple quotes, use the internet and call a few brokers. It's easy to gather some good comparison quotes. Remember to get different types of quotes. One from a direct sell insurance company, another from an offline broker who keeps a database of quotes, and a couple from the internet. Cheapest might not mean best. Will they pay out if you make a claim? How financially secure? How reputable? Check around with family and friends, and look for online reviews. Different type of car. Insurance costs vary depending on car type. Obviously, that $100,000 sports model costs more to insure than your average runabout. If you're planning to buy a new car, check insurance costs before you buy. Age and value of car. Maybe you're buying a used car? Maybe your car saw better days a few years ago, and now values much lower? So why pay for high-priced auto insurance? In particular, do you still need fully comprehensive coverage? A good rule of thumb. Multiplies insurance premium by 10, and compares that figure with your car value. So if you're quoted $1,000 premium and your car is worth less than $10,000, you may want to think if comprehensive represents good value. If you drop collision and/or comprehensive coverage, you should get big savings. Higher deductibles. Most auto insurance companies use deductibles to keep policy cost down. Deductibles, or excess charges, show what you pay before your auto insurance policy kicks in. Try requesting quotes with different levels of deductibles, and see how your quotes vary. Most internet quote forms contain a box where you can specify preferred level of deductibles. Ask your broker his recommended level. For example, going from $250 to $500 deductible can slash your insurance costs by 20% or more. Go to $1,000 and you save a lot of money. But you must pay the deductible if you need to make a claim. Multiple insurances. I guess this might come under the Get Multiple Quotes heading, but it's still worth mentioning separately. You usually get an insurance break if you buy multiple policies with the same insurer. This might mean multiple vehicles, or homeowner and auto insurance. Either way, it's worth asking about multi-policy discounts. Low mileage. More and more people work at home. No more commuting. Fewer business trips. Low mileage on your car. Maybe you do travel to work, but carpool. Either way, look for low mileage discounts. Good driving record. A good driving record always reduces your auto insurance costs. Keep a clean driver's license. Don't speed, don't drive dangerously, and you'll save money, apart from other benefits.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video.